Today we're excited to announce our 3-inch shank burrs. These are going to be longer and heavier duty than your typical. In order to use these on your typical die grinders, we have our large shaft adapter, which is a one-time purchase, and then you can swap out all of your different burrs on your die grinder, and I'll show you how to do that now. First thing you're going to need to do is remove your collet off of your die grinder. Then you can install our large shaft adapter collet, which just goes in and then tightens up like it normally would any existing collet. In order to use the large shaft adapter with your shank burrs, you'll see there's a detent here for your shank burr, which you're going to line up with the detent screw here. And then with the supplied Allen key, you're going to tighten that down. Once that's tightened on there, you can install it into our large shaft adapter collet replacement. And you can tighten that down. If you're using a Makita 800, the wrenches will be the same. If you're using a Milwaukee, then you'll need a 19mm wrench to tighten down the adapter. Once that's tight, you're ready to carve. They're available on our website today. Go get yourself set up.